Ladies
and gentlemen, get ready for contingent of East and West Khasi Hills, DEF mairang led by Shri Moti Sri and Sub-Inspector P.N. Sangma of Mairang Police Station for the Independence Day celebration of 2026. Starting off, Meghalaya Police East and West Khasi Hills DEF mairang, Platoon Commander ADSI P. Sangya. All in synchronization, St. Thomas High Secondary School NCC, Bandrailang Shabong, Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer, Yapin Lindo Maulong, Flag Bearer, May Valerie Marbanyang. Saluting Sangai's MDSG East and West Khasi Hills District, Tangmeva Airport Hawa Platoon Commander, Dapin Lingdo Maulong Plakat Bearer, Ida Likman Hujon Plakat Bearer, and Tuman Hapalyong Flag Bearer. Starting off with the school, approaching the dais, Mairang President Science High Secondary Section David 4, Elmo 9 Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer, Boris K. Maulong, and Dami 1 Punha El Maulong Flag Bearer. Approaching the dais in unison are Tatsautra College High Secondary Section, Pawan Lang Elmo 9 Platoon Commander, Rishailin El Nombre Plakat Bearer, and Daniel Gilbert Purba Flag Bearer. High Secondary School, Machakang Karwani Platoon Commander, Gilbert Star Purba Plakat Bearer, and Kenneth Das Tosham Flag Bearer. Girls representing Manai High Secondary School, Quadri Plakat Bearer, Sai Bandri. Students of St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang, Parade Contingent, Alban Shan El Maunai, Platoon Flag Bearer. Also for the NCC Plakat Bearer was Dapin Lingdo Maulong. Approaching the dais are the students of Little Star El Maunai Platoon Commander, Emiracle El Maunai Plakat Bearer, and Yudiana El Maunai. Insapanha Pasangan Platoon Commander, Bechwa Nogrung Plakat Bearer, and Nasa Bakmans Indi Flag Bearer. Kinshi High Secondary School, Malbury Lindo Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer Nafisha Kajana Plakat, and Wanda Lanang Roy Maroy Flag Bearer. Jidol Singh Memorial Secondary School, Maunai, Lee Palasun, Nang Pinjanai Marbanyang. Before them were the same as Yominia Rani Plakat Bearer and Flag Bearer Pinkian Langsun. Olive Academy Mairang, Platoon Commander May 1 Pusuk Quadri, Placard Bearer Hame Bansao El Nong Lai, Flag Bearer Dashan Chua Nong Sit. Saluting to our chief guest, Maurasa Secondary School, Balatangkai El Maunai Platoon Commander, Graceful Pathau Placard Bearer, and Balmi Rutasyang Flag Bearer. All in sync and in full pride, Mairang Presbyterian High Secondary School, Platoon Commander Golgari Randakyang, Placard Bearer Indari Sukujon, and Flag Bearer Taili Sian Longput. Students of Mairang Vidyajyoti Inclusive Secondary School, Nampanis Camp Malanyam Platoon Commander, Pankam Marvanyam Placard Bearer, and Vinil Madon Kajana Flag Bearer. Mairang Presbyterian Academy Secondary School, Timothy El Maunai Platoon Commander, Lakias Sabha Placard Bearer, and Tilmalang Kaltrang Flag Bearer.
Siap, siap.
Commander Kirda Shishawalang, Placard Bearer, Isa Panhun El Molong, and Fantikul Karmolong, Flag Bearer. The final school saluting to our chief guest, Pindang Umyong High Secondary School students, Dawan Pansok Harmuti Platoon Commander, Placard Bearer Grateful Lavanyang, Shambor Langparyong Flag Bearer. I request the dignitaries